Hey guys, welcome back to Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one, we're talking about how to streamline Roblox game logic using Claude AI prompts. So just copy your target script, like a bloated multi-feature weapon manager or a game loop array in Claude. Don't ask for the simple questions. Inject a strict system-level refactoring prompt. So you can just command the AI to extract standalone math utilities, decouple physical components from data logic, and implement a modular object-oriented programming class pattern layout using clean luau tables. So just feed Claude your active remote event, data tracking scripts, instruct Claude to audit how often packets cross the network boundaries, and force it to implement a structural client-side interpolation, rewrite bulky vector tracking payloads into compressed indices, and drop custom rate limiting guardrails straight into the network listener loops. So this way you can start letting unoptimized code blocks sabotage your game's engine performance, and you can run up a server processing overhead. So that's it. Pretty simply done, guys. Enjoy as always, like and subscribe.